It's hard to yell when the barrel's in your mouth.
Ang pagbabalik. Tikman nyo ang daming bansay. Ako ang simula ng pagkabago.
You're the baddest soul in town, man.
That's the sound of your career in my.
Suck out my swagger back.
Boy, get the party up! Here, get the party up!
Heto na ang crush ng bayan.
Sa isang sulat mo ay nabilang ako. Para bang iba na ang lahat ng ito. Sa isang sulat mo.
If you wanna get with me, there's some things you gotta know. I like my beats fast and my bass down low. Bass down low. Bass down low. I like my beats fast and my bass down low.
Sorry, J9. Sorry, J9.
You got ass to shake that. You got ass to shake that. You got ass to shake that. You got ass to shake that.
She fuck it up, got me dancing on the butt. She fuck it up, she the baddest in the club. She fuck it up, got me dancing on the butt. She fuck it up, so I tell her.
Naniniwala ka ba sa bulong?
May buhay! May buhay!
Prepare yourself. I'm on.
Hello? Ay, sisitawag ni kay nanayaw pa mi. Like,
I see you. What? Yeah!
ng iyong mata na nagsasabing ika'y nag-iisa. Pinilit kong sabihin, ngunit di ko magawa na magsabing gusto kita. Tuwing makikita ka, ang damdamin ay di mapigilan. May nagmamahal na ba sa'yo kung wala'y ako na lang? Lahat ibibigay sa'yo nang walang alinlangan. Sana'y bigyan naman ng pansin ang puso kong ito. Kaya tanong ko lang, may nagmamahal ba? Sana'y ako lang. Lagi kitang inaabangan, baka sakaling makausap man lang. Ngunit dapat ang